The major contributions of Ramanujan to mathematics. The fastest algorithms for calculation of pi. Finding an accurate approximation for pi has been one of the most important challenges in the history of mathematics. In 1914, Srinivasa Ramanujan found a formula for computing pi that converges rapidly. His formula computes a further 8 decimal places of pi with each term in the series. It was in 1989 that Chudnovsky brothers computed pi to over a billion decimal places on a supercomputer using a variation of Ramanujan's infinite series of pi. This was a world record for computing the most digits of pi. Moreover, the Ramanujan series is currently the basis for the fastest algorithms used to calculate pi. The Ramanujan conjecture. In 1916, Ramanujan published his paper titled On Certain Arithmetical Functions. In the paper, Ramanujan investigated the properties of Fourier coefficients of modular forms. Though the theory of modular forms was not even developed then, he came up with 3 fundamental conjectures that served as a guiding force for its development. His first 2 conjectures helped develop the Heck theory, which was formulated 20 years after his paper. However, it was his last conjecture, known as the Ramanujan conjecture, that created a sensation in the 20th century mathematics. It played a pivotal role in the Langlands program, which aims to relate representation theory and algebraic number theory, 2 seemingly different fields of mathematics. It is widely viewed as the single biggest project in modern mathematical research. On Certain Arithmetical Functions by Ramanujan thus effectively changed the course of 20th century mathematics. Circle method in partition number theory. A partition for a positive integer n is the number of ways the integer can be expressed as a sum of positive integers. For example, p of 4 is equal to 5. That means 4 can be expressed as a sum of positive integers in 5 ways. 4, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Ramanujan, along with G. H. Hardy, invented the circle method, which gave the first approximations of the partition of numbers beyond 200. This method was largely responsible for the major advances in the 20th century of notoriously difficult problems such as Waring's conjecture and other additive questions. The circle method is now one of the central roots of analytic number theory. Moreover, circle method and its refinements constitute a large area of current mathematical research. Ramanujan's 3 congruences. Ramanujan also came up with 3 remarkable congruences. The first congruence means that if an integer is 4 more than a multiple of 5, then number of its partitions is a multiple of 5. The study of Ramanujan type congruence is a popular research topic of number theory. It was in 2011 that a conceptual explanation for Ramanujan's congruences was finally discovered. Ramanujan's work on partition theory has applications in a number of areas including particle physics, particularly quantum field theory, and probability. Highly composite numbers. Ramanujan worked intensively on highly composite numbers. A highly composite number is basically a positive integer that has more divisors than any smaller positive integer. He coined this term in 1915. There is an infinite number of highly composite numbers, the first few being 1, 2, 4, 6, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. The corresponding number of divisors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and so on. In 1915, he listed 102 highly composite numbers up to the number given. The Ramanujan square. The Ramanujan square is also known as a magic square or a birthday square, in which every row, column and diagonal add up to 139. Sum of the four corners, the four middle squares, the first and last two rows, middle numbers, and the first and last columns, two middle numbers, also add up to 139. This kind of a square can be made with any person's birth date. Hardy-Ramanujan number. In a famous incident, British mathematician G.H. Hardy, while visiting Ramanujan, had ridden in a taxi cab with the number 1729. He remarked to Ramanujan that the number seemed to me rather a dull one, and that I hoped it was not an unfavorable omen. No, Ramanujan replied. It is a very interesting number. It is the smallest number expressible as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. 1729 or 1729 is now known as a Hardy-Ramanujan number. Moreover, numbers that are the smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two cubes in distinct ways are often now referred to as taxicab numbers due to the incident. The relevance of 1729 has recently come to light as it was part of a much larger theory that Ramanujan was developing. Theorems have been established in theory of elliptic curves that involve this fascinating number. Ramanujan theta function. Theta functions were studied extensively by Ramanujan. He came up with the Ramanujan theta function, which generalizes the form of Jacobi theta functions while also capturing their general properties. In particular, the Jacobi triple product takes on an elegant form when written in terms of the Ramanujan theta function. Ramanujan theta function has several important applications. It is used to determine the critical dimensions of bosonic string theory, superstring theory, and M theory.